You could do it. Good job.
Eat it right here?
Yeah, they can eat it right there too.
Okay.
You want to get a little bit more in there?
Yes.
Okay, grab the bucket. Let's get some more.
Okay.
That's where you put it in first. Come on, chickies.
How much cheese?
Get a little bit more? Here, I'll get some more for you.
Do it.
Okay, go put it in that gray bucket. Here, you can hold it lower. Right there. There you go. Good job. Get a good grip.
In the bucket? In the bucket?
You got to put it in the gray bucket. In the metal one.
Oh.
You could do it. If you spill a little, it's okay. Do it. Pick it up. You want me to get a little bit out first so it's lighter? Here, I'll do a little out. On the top side. Got to hold the bucket a little different. There you go. You almost got it. Well, you missed it, but they like it. Did you get it down there?
Yes.
Okay. Let's finish it off. Good job.
They did right here, guys.
Yeah, they'll be fine.
Give me five.
They'll be fine. How many eggs did we get today?
This one.
What? We got 5.
The five.
Remember? Look at them all. Look at them all. Can we go take them inside? The eggs? Izzy, knock it off.
Look, I pet them.
You pet them? That's a girl.
There's a girl.
What are we gonna name her?
Buck, buck, buck.
We're gonna name her Buck Buck Buck? AJ, did you have fun riding around? Yes? Did you ride the motorcycle by yourself? You did? Did you go real fast?
Baby.
Beep, beep. You saw the cows out there?
So baby cows and horses and baby horses.
You saw baby horses too?
And cows, baby cows, and mommy cows, and daddy cows, and mommy cows, and double cows, and double cows. And
Ready to eat. Look in their nose at Izzy. Good girl, Izzy. Stay there. About to give these cows some food. Izzy's being good. Stay back. Get back. Wait. Back up. Pretty cows.